Here with the co-owner and owner video. Come out. Okay, hold on. Did he fix the hitbox?
No, you still can't hit the bodies like hit.
Oh, he should. He's gonna fix it. Now we're gonna go inside the mod vent. Oh yeah, by the way, congratulations Mark VR for hitting 1,000 subscribers. Here's the Skibidi Path. The Skibidi Path. So moderators and anybody who can go in the mod vent. By the way, remember that Discord post that he put out saying that if you change your name to Sigma, he'll give you mod vent. It's just he won't give you the stuff.
No, it was sheep.
Oh, I thought he said Sigma. God. I don't know. Bro. Bro, the Skibidi Path is cursed. Oh my god.
Wait, what is that? What is that?
That's the shop. Bro, why does the Skibidi Path look so weird? I bet you he's okay. I know it's called the Skibidi Path right now, but like, what if he changes the no? Skibidi Path, 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 Skibidi Path. Hi, Cyan! You there?
Yeah.
Okay, so bro, I feel like he should change. He should change the Skibidi Path. Look, okay, I still have my 1 billion jumping bucks. CC hat soon. I don't need to worry about this. Wait. Aw.
Cosmetic.
Finally! He's bringing the content creator hat. The applications are open right now. Join the Discord. Right. By the way, your video has to get 500 views on the video. It could be a short, a TikTok, or just normal YouTube video if you want to be formal. But yeah, it's open right now. Go join the Discord or your own Sigma. By the way, okay, guys, he left, so we're gonna go. Bye bye.